Hey everyone, on this week's Mondays with Megan, I'm going to state the obvious. Cold weather season is upon us. If you're in Ohio, you know what I'm talking about. So, as a reminder, our technology is not meant to exist in cold weather, whether you're working on it or not. So, I know during the holiday seasons, it's tempting to leave your laptop in your car while you go run errands, preparing for the holidays, preparing for hosting, shopping, whatever the case may be. But here's a reminder to do not leave your technology in your cars during the cold. First and foremost, if your laptop's sitting in your car, you're just asking for someone to smash that window and try and steal it. Number two, you can actually do damage to the laptop and to the battery by leaving it in the cold weather. General rule of thumb is you don't want your technology to be in anything colder than 50 degrees. It's meant to operate where we are comfortably sitting in our homes and in the offices. So if you're a business owner or you have a team under you, send them a reminder, hey guys, let's remember this holiday season, keep our technology out of our cars and with us at all times. It's going to make the hardware and the battery last longer and also less chance of theft. I hope this tech tip is super helpful. Have a great week, everyone, and happy holiday season.